If you're a new or returning viewer, welcome to our channel. I'm Stephen. We live in the countryside on one of Japan's remote southern islands.
Let's go, Daddy.
We've got a new morning routine going, which involves walking our 4-month-old puppy Rufy. He's a rescue dog from here on the island, and we've had him for about a month now. The weather on these islands can be very windy and unpredictable. Not that it bothers Mia. She just thinks she can fly around with her umbrella.
来るよ風。風来る。風来る。来た来た来た来た来た。
Strong winds and rough seas mean the ferries can't run to the island on certain days. And it's not great for surfing, which Yumi and I both enjoy. So we were kind of stuck doing bits and pieces around the house. The wife gave me a quick trim. Those kinds of things can be tricky to find, especially as a foreigner living in the remote Japanese countryside. Somewhere to get a decent haircut, a reputable doctor or dentist, etc., etc. Anyways, this'll do for now. Lots and lots of sugarcane being harvested around the island now. It's one of the largest crops produced here. We can even see a sugarcane farm from our house. The windy weather didn't stop Rufy the puppy from wanting a good afternoon walk.
気をつけない。ここら辺本当ヘビいるんだからね。いやそれちょっと。
Here's the big leaf. Mia's new ride is the wheelbarrow we recently bought. Clearing up the banks and doing general yard work, I've quickly realized the wheelbarrow is an essential item, along with a decent metal rake. I'm no stranger to physical activities, but having spent many years living in apartments in Japan, yard work is a different kind of workout for me. Can't get rid of all the green now, but it looks browner. You know, I can just load this up. And one that I quite enjoy. Although my shoulders do let me know that they need some time to adjust to this new challenge. So I try to get some hanging and stretching in when I can, to keep them from grumbling too much. We thought we'd sealed up most of the gaps inside the house. Oh, nice small. But our countryside friends always remind us they can get in if they choose. And this is Melu. First time introducing Rufy to Mia's two favorite dolls.
Here you go.
Oh.
I think he stepped on one baby.
You're just smelling them. Okay, hamburger time, girls.
She's actually paid a lot less attention to them since the puppy arrived.
Oh, gentle, gentle, gentle,
No.
gentle.
To be honest, I prefer when Mia asks me to run around with her outside or go down to the beach.
Full? Okay.
too.
Wasn't it a nice breakfast that Mama made, eh?
What? You want to go to school next day? Okay. Yay.
School? Ah.
I'm sure. Oh! I mean, it's...
You're part of the freak show now, boy. Yeah.
But sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do.
Good boy.
Yumi enjoys using seasonable ingredients in her cooking where she can. Today she's using some Warabi or Bracken Fern. Bringing some water to the boil, she adds a spoon of baking soda before boiling the Warabi for 10 seconds and then leaving it to cool. This is to remove any toxins and bitterness from the Bracken Fern. It can then be kept in water, refrigerated for a few days. Warabi Takikomigohan for dinner tonight, which is basically seasoned vegetables with rice. Mini chef arrives to shred and eat all the carrot. Not sure if there'll be any left for dinner. Mom jumps in, creates some kind of diversion and saves some of the carrot. Next, she cuts up some deep fried tofu and bracken fern, which she prepared earlier. The sauce for the dish, consisting of a powdered fish and vegetable stock, salt, soy sauce and mirin, gets a quick boil. After washing the rice, in goes the sauce, followed by the vegetables and Warabi bracken fern. Cook it all up and boom, ready to eat. A tasty and seasonable dish.
Hey, everybody, we got something to say. You still hungry, Daddy?
I'm just eating slowly.
Unfortunately, it wasn't really Mia's thing.
What's your favorite, huh?
Oh well, we'll keep trying.
And Daddy, when your birthdays come, you're gonna feed him pancake, huh?
パンケーク
No, Daddy, you need to feed him. Feed him pancake.
See you all next time.